Hey guys, this side Backdot and this video is all about clearing cache of the Google Chrome browser as you can see right here. So I will be guiding through all the steps that are necessary in order to delete the Chrome cache. To do it first of all tap and hold on the Chrome app, then tap on the app info. So here a new menu will shown up. Now you have to tap on storage usage. On some device it shows only storage. So as you came into the menu, it shows the clear cache button. So simply you can clear the cache, and I am showing you the another way. Don't go now. For this step you have to open the Chrome browser as you can see right here. So tap on the three dots here and then tap on the settings. In the mobile settings, in the Chrome settings, simply tap on the privacy and security tab, and here you would find the clear browsing data. This includes clearing the history, cookies, site data and cache. You can select any one of them. So we were going to just select the cache only to clear the cached version of Chrome's. So as you can see right here, we have just checkbox the cached images and file. This will delete all the Chrome cached files. So simply tap on clear data and it will automatically delete. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video useful.